Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to On the Open, taking a look at all of the European market action here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group, and securities are offered by MoneyBlock here on this first trading day on February 13th. So let's jump in and take a look at the German DAX. Right now, it's climbed about 0.9%. Some nice momentum to the upside in Germany, and the index is approaching its January high. So we're looking at new highs being tested here in the German DAX. Volkswagen is leading the advance. The stock has jumped 1.9%, and its peers like BMW and Daimler are up 1.4%. So you're seeing those automotive names, those exporters moving to the upside. So that's very interesting. Now we're seeing financials like Deutsche Bank also trading to the upside, rising about 0.7%. You have Commerzbank, though. That's the laggard in the financial sector in Germany, down 1.1%. EWG, take a look at that ETF. It's a nice ETF to monitor Germany, and if you want to add exposure to your portfolio in the German markets, trading at right around $27.31. Watch the $26.70, $27 level. That's going to be, if tested, an area where the bulls could be getting shaken out. Now, taking a look at the UK. England, the FTSE's higher right now by about 0.1%. The strength is coming from the materials sector, and basically that's being helped by a nice little price bump in the infrastructure metal copper, up 0.8% right now in copper prices. We're going to watch that one very closely. That is a very interesting move and a pretty significant move in copper. That's helping out Glencore, Anglo American, Rio Tinto, as well as BHP Billiton, all up between 1.5% and 2.5%. You're also seeing consumer names like Paddy Power, Next, Marks & Spencer, Unilever, and Imperial Brands showing losses between 0.5% and 1.4%. Interesting action there in the consumer space, but it has been pretty hot, especially since the holiday season and the January sales numbers came out. So we'll keep an eye on that. EWU is an ETF you can take a look at to track stocks in the UK, as well as put some investment exposure there if you so choose to. Trading at 31.50 right now. We're going to watch that 31.20 level very closely. It's broken above there and now has some momentum. That was long-term resistance. EWU to the upside. Let's see if it can continue. But that's a level you want to watch if going to be tested on the downside. Now, France's CAC. It's trading up 1.2%. This is the best performing index on the EU continent. All but two components on the CAC are to the upside. You see Metal, its top performer, up. This metal producer up 4.3%. You're also seeing exporters like Renault and Peugeot all up between about 3.5%. We'll keep it along the lines for those two. Now, financials like BNP Paribas, Societe Generale, and Crédit Agricole are all up between 0.9% and 2.5%. This has EWQ moving to the upside. That's the French ETF, trading at 24.69. Watch the 24.77 level. A take to above that means that the bulls have definitely started to take short-term control of the upside, and it's on a long-term and mid-term trajectory to the upside. Anyways, this could get some short-term money in play there as well in France and specifically in EWQ. All right, folks, that's it for taking a look at all of the action that has been transpiring so far on the open in the EU. We will be back on at 9:30 Eastern time here at MarketStream.live to talk about all of the market action on the open here in the United States. See you then.